Ocean capital. In the vast waters of the Mediterranean Sea, there exists a colossal megastructure known as the Triple Crown. This architectural marvel is distinguished by its three towering structures that symbolize international leadership in various fields. Nestled offshore, this hub serves as the epicenter for humanity's spiritual, emotional, mental, and physical pursuits, encompassing global politics, economics, academics, sciences, medicine, security, and industrial operations. Throughout history, the Triple Crown has stood as a beacon of progress, attracting influential figures who have made significant contributions to its diverse realms. The origins of the Triple Crown date back centuries, when visionary leaders sought to create a unified platform for advancing global cooperation and understanding. As the structure took shape, it quickly became a symbol of unity and collaboration, transcending borders and cultural divides. Key figures such as Dr. Sophia Reed, a renowned scientist specializing in renewable energy, played a pivotal role in shaping the Triple Crown's scientific endeavors. Dr. Reed's groundbreaking research on sustainable energy sources helped establish the megastructure as a pioneer in environmental innovation. Another prominent figure in the history of the Triple Crown is Ambassador Malik Khan, a seasoned diplomat known for his diplomatic acumen and unwavering commitment to peace. Ambassador Khan's efforts to mediate conflicts and foster diplomatic relations among nations have been instrumental in maintaining stability within the structure's political sphere. His leadership has earned him widespread admiration and respect, making him a formidable force in international diplomacy. The future of the Triple Crown remains promising. As technology continues to advance and global interconnectedness grows, the megastructure is poised to play an even greater role in shaping the trajectory of humanity. Innovations in medicine, security, and economics will be critical in addressing the complex challenges of the 21st century, and the Triple Crown stands ready to lead the way. With a renewed focus on sustainability, inclusivity, and collaboration, the structure has the potential to usher in a new era of progress and prosperity for all who call it home. The Triple Crown stands as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of humanity. Its three towers symbolize the interconnectedness of spiritual, emotional, mental, and physical well-being, serving as a beacon of hope and progress in a rapidly changing world. While challenges and controversies may arise, the megastructure's unwavering dedication to excellence and collaboration will ensure its continued success and relevance in the years to come. As influential figures continue to make their mark on the Triple Crown, its impact on global politics, economics, academics, sciences, medicine, security, and industry will only grow, solidifying its position as a true bastion of international leadership. Offshore embassies. Within the grand fluidity and vastness of the world's oceans, located in the most crucial international geopolitical zones, lie offshore floating embassies. These innovative structures are designed to function as miniature capitals, spreading spirituality, peace, wealth, beliefs, policies, and resources of the Ocean civilization to the rest of the world while providing a diplomatic and educational platform accessible to all peoples. Historically, the concept of offshore embassies dates back to ancient times when seafaring civilizations used floating platforms to establish diplomatic relations with distant lands. However, it was not until the 21st century that this futuristic idea was revived and implemented on a global scale. Influential figures such as Ambassador Maria Santos of Osea and Ambassador Liu Wei of Yuktobania played key roles in proposing and promoting the idea of offshore embassies as a means of fostering international cooperation and understanding. The impact of offshore embassies has been profound, as they serve as hubs of cultural exchange, economic cooperation, and political dialogue. By bringing together representatives from different nations in a neutral and inclusive environment, these floating embassies have facilitated the resolution of conflicts, the promotion of trade, and the exchange of knowledge, ideas, and a new era of global spiritual practices, generated from the wisdom of the world's religions. In addition, the educational programs offered at these embassies have helped to bridge cultural divides and promote global citizenship among the youth. The future of offshore embassies looks promising, as advances in technology and sustainable design continue to make them more viable and effective. With the support of visionary leaders and dedicated diplomats, these floating capitals have the potential to become beacons of hope and unity in an increasingly interconnected and turbulent world. As the sun sets on the horizon, casting a golden glow over the tranquil waters surrounding the offshore embassy, the sounds of laughter, music, and conversation drift through the air, reminding us of the power of diplomacy, dialogue, and cooperation to overcome differences and build a brighter future for all. Offshore citizenship. Amidst the hustle and bustle of the world's most populous and important cities, a new phenomenon is taking shape offshore. Self-sustaining skyscraper habitats were being constructed to provide living quarters to future, past, and present ocean citizens. These towering modern structures served as a home in the sky out at sea, connected to land via hyperloop networks. As ocean citizens and employee populations increased, these floating skyscrapers are built in grid-like networks floating atop the world's littoral waters, just offshore of major urban centers. The concept of offshore citizenship is a revolutionary one, blending the boundaries between land and sea and offering a new way of life for those who chose to embrace it. The idea is not without its challenges, however, as it required significant investments in technology, infrastructure, and governance to ensure the sustainability and safety of these floating communities. Key figures in the development of offshore citizenship emerged, each contributing their expertise and vision to bring this concept to fruition. One such individual was Dr. Maya Chen, a renowned marine biologist and environmentalist who championed the idea of creating self-sustaining habitats at sea to alleviate the strain on coastal cities and foster a closer relationship between humans and the ocean. Her research on sustainable energy sources and marine ecosystem management played a crucial role in shaping the design and function of these offshore skyscrapers. Another influential figure in the field of offshore living was Dr. Jameson Lee, an urban planner and architect who specialized in designing resilient and adaptable structures for coastal environments. His innovative approach to integrating green spaces, renewable energy systems, and waste management solutions into the design of these floating communities helped to minimize their environmental impact and maximize their self-sufficiency. As the first offshore citizenship projects began to take shape, various proponents hailed them as a solution to overcrowding and pollution in urban centers, offering a more sustainable and harmonious way of living with the ocean. The allure of offshore citizenship continues to grow as more people sought refuge from the pressures of urban life and embraced the opportunity to live closer to nature. The promise of a new sense of community, freedom, and connection to the vast expanse of the ocean captured the imagination of many, inspiring a new generation of pioneers to venture out to sea and stake their claim in this brave new era. As the sun set on the horizon, casting a golden glow over the shimmering waters, the offshore citizens looked out from their soaring skyscrapers and felt a sense of pride and hope for the future. They knew that their journey was just beginning, and that in the vast expanse of the ocean, there were endless possibilities waiting to be explored and realized. And so they sailed forth into the unknown, guided by their dreams and the promise of a brighter tomorrow on the horizon of this offshore lifestyle. Offshore agriculture. Offshore agriculture has revolutionized the way we produce food, providing a sustainable solution to the growing global demand for fresh, nutritious produce. These floating megastructures, scattered across international waters, have become a beacon of hope for communities around the world facing food insecurity. By harnessing the power of nature and cutting-edge technology, these floating ocean agriculture structures have paved the way for a new era of farming that is both efficient and environmentally friendly. In the early days of offshore agriculture, pioneers like Dr. Eva Patel and Dr. Javier Martinez led the way in developing the concept of floating farms. Their vision was to create a system that could produce food on a large scale without relying on traditional land-based agriculture. Through their research and experimentation, they proved that it was possible to cultivate crops in the open sea using methods that were both sustainable and cost-effective. As more and more investors and governments took notice of the potential of offshore agriculture, the industry began to flourish. New technologies were developed to optimize production and minimize environmental impact, leading to the creation of highly efficient floating farms that were capable of producing a wide variety of crops. The success of these early pioneers has inspired a new generation of farmers and scientists to join the movement, further driving innovation and growth in the industry. One of the key advantages of offshore agriculture is its ability to operate 24/7, regardless of weather conditions or seasonal changes. This continuous production cycle ensures a steady supply of fresh food year-round, helping to mitigate the effects of traditional farming challenges, such as droughts via its onboard desalination plant, or pests with its controlled natural environments. Additionally, the controlled environment of floating farms allows for precise monitoring and adjustment of growing conditions, resulting in higher yields and better quality produce. The impact of offshore agriculture has been profound, particularly in regions that are prone to food shortages or environmental challenges. By providing a reliable source of nutritious food, floating farms have helped to alleviate hunger and malnutrition in communities that were previously struggling to feed themselves. This has not only improved the health and well-being of those in need, but has also created economic opportunities and stability in these regions. As a byproduct, these facilities provide man-made natural habitats for local marine life. These structures, along with their teams of marine biologists and staff, participate in the repopulation of regional aquatic life, ensuring the regeneration of species, reviving the health of the world's oceans, and therefore the Earth as a whole. Looking to the future, offshore agriculture holds great promise as a solution to the world's growing food needs. With continuous advances in technology and a growing understanding of sustainable farming practices, floating farms have the potential to play a significant role in feeding a growing global population. By harnessing the power of the sea and blending it with innovative farming techniques, offshore agriculture is paving the way for a brighter and more food-secure future for all. Air, sea, and spaceports. In the vast expanse of international waters around the world, there exists a network of multi-role ports that serve as crucial hubs for global trade, transportation, and logistics. These ports are not your ordinary docks or harbors. They are futuristic marvels equipped with state-of-the-art technology and infrastructure to cater to the needs of air, sea, and space travel. These ports serve as the gateway to the world, facilitating the movement of goods, people, and resources across continents and beyond. One such port, for example, located in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, is a shining example of human innovation and ingenuity. This port boasts a space launch and recovery pad, capable of sending rockets and spacecraft into the vast unknown of the cosmos. It also features ocean-going vessel loading and unloading ports, where massive autonomous cargo ships dock to exchange goods from around the world. Additionally, the port has landing pads for airships and aircraft, allowing for seamless air travel to and from the port. The history of these megaports dates back to the ancient days of exploration and trade. As humanity began to traverse the oceans and skies, the need for strategic hubs where different modes of transportation could converge became apparent. Visionaries and pioneers in the field of transportation and logistics set out to create these ports, transforming them into bustling centers of activity and commerce. One such influential figure in the development of these multi-role ports was Dr. James Phillips, a renowned aerospace engineer and entrepreneur. Dr. Phillips' vision and determination led him to spearhead the construction of the first spaceport within the Earth's vast international waters. His groundbreaking work paved the way for the integration of space travel into the existing infrastructure of air and sea transportation. The impact of air, sea, and spaceports on global trade and commerce cannot be overstated. These ports serve as vital links in the supply chain, connecting manufacturers, suppliers, and consumers across the globe. The seamless transfer of highly sought-after and immensely valuable goods and resources through these ports has led to increased efficiency and cost savings for businesses, while also fostering economic growth and development in regions around the world. These multi-role ports have revolutionized the way we think about transportation and logistics. They have made it possible to transport goods and people faster and more efficiently than ever before, opening up new opportunities for trade and collaboration on a global scale. The integration of space travel into these ports has also opened up new frontiers for exploration and discovery, pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and ambition. Looking towards the future, the possibilities for these air, sea, and spaceports are endless. Advances in technology such as autonomous vehicles, unmanned machinery, and drones could revolutionize the way goods are transported within and between ports. The integration of artificial intelligence and robotics could further streamline operations and improve efficiency, making these ports even more indispensable in the global economy. In the near future, these air, sea, and spaceports are the backbone of global trade and transportation, serving as vital hubs for the movement of goods, people, and resources. By embracing innovation and sustainability, we can ensure that these ports continue to thrive and evolve for generations to come. Offshore manufacturing has taken a remarkable turn with the emergence of the fleet of megafactories that travel the open oceans of the world. These highly automated ships are equipped with cutting-edge technology, such as artificial intelligence, augmented reality, machine learning, robotic machinery, and 3D printing capabilities. Their primary mission is to transform OSHA's extracted rare non-Earth elements and non-terrestrial mined raw materials from the depths of the cosmos, and utilize them to produce valuable products like semiconductors and new metal alloys that benefit the global economy, industries, and humanity as a whole. The concept of offshore manufacturing through these megafactories marks a significant shift in the traditional modes of production and resource extraction. By tapping into new and unexplored resources, these futuristic, unmanned ships and vessels are pushing the boundaries of innovation and sustainability. The historical context of offshore manufacturing dates back to the ancient maritime trade routes that connected civilizations and facilitated the exchange of goods and resources across the seas. Influential individuals have played a crucial role in shaping the field of offshore manufacturing and advancing its capabilities. Visionaries like Dr. Qi Zhang, a pioneer in the integration of artificial intelligence and robotics in manufacturing processes, have been instrumental in driving forward the development of these metafactories. Their contributions have not only revolutionized the way resources are extracted and utilized, but have also opened up new possibilities for sustainable manufacturing practices that minimize environmental impact. From a positive perspective, offshore manufacturing through these floating megafactories has the potential to boost global economic growth and create new opportunities for industries worldwide. By harnessing the power of advanced technologies, these vessels can efficiently transform the extracted rare resources that were previously inaccessible, leading to the development of groundbreaking products that drive innovation and progress. Looking towards the future, offshore manufacturing holds immense potential for addressing global challenges such as resource scarcity and climate change. As technology continues to advance, the capabilities of metafactories are expected to expand, leading to more efficient and sustainable production processes. In conclusion, offshore manufacturing through megafactories represents a groundbreaking approach to resource extraction and production. By embracing technology and sustainable practices, the world can harness the power of offshore manufacturing to create a brighter and more prosperous future for all. Offshore multi-use rigs. Offshore multi-use rigs have revolutionized the way we think about ocean structures. These megastructures, strategically placed around the world's oceans, serve a variety of functions that have a profound impact on society as a whole. From providing clean energy through fusion reactors to managing waste and recycling materials, these rigs play a crucial role in shaping the future of our planet. One of the key figures in the development of offshore multi-use rigs is Dr. Joe Stone. As a leading researcher in the field of ocean engineering, Dr. Stone has been instrumental in designing and implementing these structures in some of the most challenging environments. His innovative approaches to sustainability and efficiency have helped to propel the industry forward, making offshore multi-use rigs a viable solution for many of the world's most pressing issues. One of the most significant aspects of these multi-use rigs is their ability to adapt to different tasks and environments. In some regions, these structures are used primarily for desalination and water purification, providing clean drinking water to communities that would otherwise have limited access. In other areas, offshore rigs are used for processing raw materials, such as minerals and metals, that are vital to various industries. The benefits of these ocean-going rigs cannot be ignored. As technology continues to advance, these structures have the potential to revolutionize how we generate and use energy, manage resources, and mitigate the impact of climate change. By harnessing the power of the Earth's oceans in a responsible and sustainable way, we can create a more resilient and prosperous future for generations to come. Looking ahead, the future of offshore rigs is bright. With continued research and innovation, These structures have the potential to become even more versatile and efficient, opening up new possibilities for sustainable development and resource management. As we navigate the challenges of a rapidly changing world, offshore multi-use rigs will play an increasingly important role in shaping our future. In conclusion, offshore multi-use rigs represent a unique and innovative approach to addressing some of the most pressing issues facing our planet today. By balancing the benefits of these structures with the potential risks, we can harness the power of the ocean in a responsible and sustainable way. As we move forward, it is essential that we continue to prioritize research, innovation, and collaboration to ensure that offshore multi-use rigs fulfill their potential as a force for positive change in our world. Orbital Space Station. In the vast expanse of space just beyond Earth's atmosphere lies the Orbital Space Station, OSS. This revolutionary hub serves as a vital link between our planet and the lunar surface, facilitating a wide range of scientific studies and experiments in zero-gravity conditions. The OSS not only provides a docking and staging facility for spacecraft, but also plays a crucial role in maintaining local satellites and decluttering Earth's orbital zones. Historically, the concept of an orbital space station dates back to the mid-20th century, during the early days of space exploration. Visionaries and pioneers like Wernher von Braun, Sergei Korolev, and Konstantin Tsiolkovsky dreamt of a permanent human presence in space, envisioning a space station orbiting the Earth for scientific research and exploration. Their groundbreaking work laid the foundation for the development of orbital space stations in the decades to come. Throughout the years, numerous influential individuals have contributed to the field of orbital space stations. One such figure is Dr. Elizabeth Beth, a brilliant astrophysicist who spearheaded the design and construction of the OSS. Dr. Beth's innovative approach to space station architecture revolutionized the way we think about habitation in space, making the OSS a state-of-the-art facility for scientific endeavors. The impact of the OSS on space exploration and scientific research cannot be overstated. The station serves as a hub for international collaboration, bringing together scientists and researchers from around the world to study a wide range of phenomena in outer space. From studying the effects of zero gravity on the human body to conducting experiments on materials science and astrophysics, the OSS has opened up new frontiers in our understanding of the universe. Advancements in technology and a growing interest in space exploration are paving the way for even more ambitious projects in orbit. From the development of commercial space stations to the prospect of human colonization of other planets, the possibilities are endless for the future of space exploration. In conclusion, the orbital space station represents a remarkable achievement in human ingenuity and exploration. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in space, the OSS will remain a beacon of innovation and collaboration, inspiring future generations to reach for the stars. In the near future, humanity has made a monumental leap in space exploration with the establishment of Lunar Base 1 on the lunar surface. This innovative and technologically advanced space station served as the world's gateway to space, operated by OSHA's renowned aerospace sector of Cosmic and its cutting-edge mining division Element. Lunar Base 1 was a centralized hub for humanity's mineral, material, and resource-based needs, providing essential resources for future space missions and sustaining life beyond Earth. The construction of Lunar Base 1 was a feat of engineering prowess, combining the expertise of Cosmic's space travel technology with Element's mining and refining capabilities. The base consisted of a series of interconnected modules, including command centers, headquarters, machine shops, and warehouse facilities for autonomous refining and processing operations. The interior of the base housed multiple spaceports where spacecraft could dock for loading, launching, and shipping back to Earth. Key figures in the establishment and operation of Lunar Base 1 included Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos, whom OSHA's Cosmic is modeled after, and Dr. Jessica Banks, the brilliant geologist and chief scientist of Element. Together, they led a team of engineers, scientists, and astronauts in creating a sustainable and self-sufficient outpost on the lunar surface. Their collaboration paved the way for future space exploration and resource utilization, setting a new standard for humanity's presence in space. One of the most significant impacts of Lunar Base 1 was its role in unlocking the potential of space resources for Earth's benefit. The base's proximity to valuable minerals and materials on the Moon allowed for efficient extraction and processing, leading to advancements in technology, manufacturing, and energy production on Earth. The resources harvested from the lunar surface were crucial in supporting future space missions and establishing a permanent human presence beyond Earth's atmosphere. As Lunar Base 1 continues to operate and expand, it has become a symbol of humanity's enduring spirit of exploration and innovation. The base's success inspired new generations of scientists, engineers, and astronauts to push the boundaries of space exploration and harness the vast potential of the cosmos for the betterment of humanity. With the continued support of OSHA divisions such as Cosmic, Element, Lunar Base 1, remained a beacon of hope and progress in the endless expanse of the universe, paving the way for a future where humanity thrived among the stars.